Welcome to BioVitaLab, where science meets longevity. Imagine waking up at 98 years old. The air smells like the sea. You stretch, step outside, and start your day by tending to your garden. No pain, no rush, just rhythm. In certain places around the world, this isn't fantasy, it's normal. In these rare regions, people don't just live longer, they live better. And today we'll step into their kitchens, their gardens, and their science to uncover what the world's healthiest people eat and why their diets may hold the secret to lasting vitality. In most of the modern world, aging feels like decline, fatigue, medication, and loss of strength. But in places like Okinawa, Japan, or Ikaria, Greece, aging looks different. You'll see 90-year-olds hiking mountains, tending sheep, and laughing with neighbors at sunset. It's not luck, and it's not genes. It's daily choices, simple habits repeated over decades. And at the center of it all, their food. Food that's not engineered for profit, but cultivated for life. Scientists call them the blue zones, the 5 regions on Earth where people live the longest, healthiest lives. Okinawa, Japan, known for strong women and vibrant community gardens. Sardinia, Italy, mountain villages with the world's highest male centenarian rate. Ikaria, Greece, a place where people forget to die. Nicoya, Costa Rica, where locals thrive on corn, beans, and purpose. Loma Linda, California, a small Adventist community living 10 years longer than the U.S. average. At first glance, these places look nothing alike. Different continents, languages, and cuisines. But when researchers studied their diets, they discovered something remarkable. 5 cultures, 1 nutritional pattern. Each of them follows a way of eating that fuels longevity, naturally, effortlessly, and in harmony with nature's rhythm. So what do they actually eat? Across all blue zones, their diets share a striking similarity. They are 95% plant-based. Their plates are filled with vibrant colors, deep green leafy vegetables, golden olive oil, purple sweet potatoes, earthy beans, and ripe seasonal fruits. Protein comes mainly from plants, lentils, chickpeas, and black beans. Meat is used sparingly, for flavor, not for bulk. And when they do eat it, it's often local, organic, and shared among many. In Okinawa, 70% of calories come from purple sweet potatoes, a powerhouse of antioxidants and fiber. In Sardinia, shepherds eat pane carasso, a thin whole-grain bread drizzled with olive oil rich in polyphenols that protect cells from oxidation. And in Nicoya, the 3 sisters, corn, beans, and squash, combine perfectly to create a complete amino acid profile, supporting muscle, heart, and brain health. It's a nutritional symphony, each ingredient small on its own, but powerful together. The secret isn't just what they eat, it's how that food talks to their bodies. Every bite you take sends messages to your cells. Food isn't just fuel, it's information. Plant-based diets are loaded with phytonutrients, natural compounds that trigger longevity pathways in your DNA. They activate sirtuins, enzymes that repair damage and maintain cellular stability. They switch on AMPK, the metabolic master switch that tells your body to burn fat and recycle old cells. These biochemical processes don't just slow aging, they reverse cellular wear, 1 meal at a time. Meanwhile, ultra-processed foods do the opposite. They confuse your body with synthetic signals, leading to inflammation, insulin spikes, and mitochondrial dysfunction. In blue zones, food is simple, but simplicity, it turns out, is advanced biochemistry done right. In these regions, longevity isn't just about ingredients. It's about timing, portion, and presence. Most centenarians don't snack all day or eat late into the night. They follow a natural rhythm that matches their biology. In Okinawa, there's a saying, hara hachi bu, eat until you're 80% full. This mindful restraint keeps metabolism balanced, reduces oxidative stress, and allows digestive hormones like ghrelin and leptin to stay in sync. In Sardinia and Ikaria, lunch is often the largest meal, eaten slowly with wine, laughter, and family. Dinner is light and early, giving the body time to repair overnight. This isn't fasting for aesthetics, it's fasting for function. Their metabolism rests, their insulin levels drop, and the body quietly repairs itself. Night after night, decade after decade. If you find the science of longevity fascinating, subscribe to BioVitaLab, where every video decodes the biology behind a longer, stronger life. Because the more you understand your body, the longer it works for you. There's one more ingredient that's invisible on the plate, but essential for life: connection. Every Blue Zone culture eats together. They cook together. They share stories while they eat. That sense of belonging triggers oxytocin, the hormone of trust and calm, which lowers cortisol, blood pressure, and inflammation. Science confirms it. People who share meals regularly have better digestion, lower stress markers, and stronger immune systems. In Ikaria, meals can last for hours, not because of indulgence, but because life itself is the main course. So what can you take from this? You don't need to move to the Mediterranean or a Costa Rican valley. You just need to rebuild your connection to food. As fuel, yes, but also as feedback. Start simple. Eat plants, not products. Replace processed oils with olive oil. Add beans or lentils daily. They're longevity's quiet heroes. Slow down. Eat at a table. Stop before you're full. This isn't a diet plan, it's a biological alignment. A return to how the human body evolved to thrive. When you eat like this, your cells age slower, your brain stays sharper, and your life, quite literally, extends in both length and quality. At BioVitaLab, we believe that the real secret to longevity isn't found in laboratories or supplements. It's growing quietly in the world's oldest gardens. The people who live past 100 remind us of something simple yet profound: that food, community, and time are not enemies to aging. They're the art of it. Because longevity isn't about living forever. It's about living fully for as long as you can.